This agency has just given me the greatest thrill. I don't feel like I'm disabled when I'm with these people. They treat me as if I'm just a lover of nature. I'm out of doors like everyone else. I can pull up that rock like everyone else, and I can take my family with me. Of course, financially, they make it possible. People with disabilities don't have a lot of money. But also, we don't know how to do this. There's no way I could have any normal rock climbing group accept my application to go rock climbing. They would say no way. So they take us as a family and they teach us how to do all this, bring us out in the wilderness, which is not a place I can normally get.
One of our most important rules is don't step on the rope. So you want to kind of be aware of where your feet are.
Kind of remember the route you took last time.
Well, sort of. I think I started like, if you can help me stand, I can get up to that one, and then I think I can get up.
Okay. Belay is on.
All right.
Ready to climb?
Ready to climb. Can you help me stand?
Rock and roll. Yep, I will. Let me lock this off real fast. And ready?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, nice job.
Nice, man. Beautiful.
I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it. One arm's reached.
Yes.
Man, woo! Yeah. Awesome.
I did it.
You did it.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, I would tell anyone with a disability to go for this. There are other activities if they don't have any lower body movement. This organization has lots of different activities to get people out into the wilderness and back into nature. There is access in nature and we can do it. This is gorgeous up here. Yeah, you don't get this view from a wheelchair. Wow!